Dear friends, this video is for those LIC agents who want to build a long-term career, not just short-term commission. If you are doing surveys regularly, but still your survey work is not converting into business, then please understand one thing clearly. The problem is not the survey form. The problem is the objective with which you are using it. If your only objective during a survey is to collect name, age and income, then this method will never give you real success. The real purpose of a survey form is this: to create confidence in the mind of people that you genuinely care about them. You understand your local area and people, and you are a professional LIC advisor, not just a policy seller. A survey form is not just paperwork. It is a tool to build your professional image. By the time you reach the last 5 questions, you have already created a good first impression. Now these last 5 questions decide one thing: whether people will see you only as a survey agent or as a future financial advisor. These questions are not meant to sell policies, they are meant to take permission. Permission to stay connected, permission to meet again, permission to guide them in future financial decisions. Always remember, you are not asking these questions just to hear a yes. You are trying to make people feel that you can become a trusted partner for their family's financial future. The survey form asks, do you want to avail our free doorstep service? But as an advisor, you should never ask this question blindly. First, you must explain what free doorstep service actually means. When you ask this question, you are making a clear commitment that if the person says yes to this question, you will help them with premium payment assistance, address change and service requests, policy revival support, annual premium statements for tax benefits, and most importantly, all these services will be provided without any extra charges and at their doorstep. When a person agrees to this service, you get the opportunity to visit them regularly for service reasons, build a strong professional relationship. In insurance business, one rule is very clear: the agent who meets the client more often get more business opportunities. In most surveys, almost everyone says yes to this question. And if someone says yes, congratulations. That person is no longer just a survey respondent. He or she has now become your prospect. Now the next question is, do you want to receive updates about new LIC plans? The question in the form is clear, but a good advisor makes it meaningful. You can explain it like this: Sir, LIC regularly launches new plans and also makes changes in existing policy as per IRDA guidelines. Most people do not get this information on time, and due to lack of information, they faces problems later. So, would you like to receive such important updates? By asking this question, you are committing that if the person says yes, you will inform them about new LIC plans, plans that may be withdrawn, important IRDA or insurance industry updates. You will share this information through WhatsApp, messages, calls, or any convenient medium. Now I want to tell about benefits of the agent. From earlier survey questions, you already understand what kind of insurance needs this person has. If they say yes, you get the freedom to send need-based updates, not random information. This makes the client feel understood, and this naturally creates future business possibilities. If someone says yes, they are open to your guidance. They trust your information, and you are relevant in their financial life. Now the next question: do you need financial planning for your daughter's marriage? This is a very sensitive and emotional question. It must be asked with respect and empathy. In the Indian society, a daughter's marriage is considered a major responsibility for parents. Many parents go to extreme lengths to fulfill this responsibility. That is why this question must never be taken lightly. When you ask this question, you are not promising a policy. You are taking responsibility to guide them in fulfill an important life obligation. A professional advisor should not walk away just because someone hesitates. Your duty is to help them see the risk and provide direction at the right time. The next question: do you need financial planning for your children's higher education? Before answering this question, pause a moment and think about your child. When a father holds his child for the first time, he silently makes a promise: I will do everything possible to give my child a better life. Education costs are rising, competition is increasing, and inflation is unpredictable. The real problem arises if something happens to the earning parents before child's goals are fulfilled. The question is not about education alone. It is about securing a father's promise for the future. Now the last question: do you want to plan financially for your retirement? This is the last question in the survey, and it is the most universal one. Everyone will grow old one day. Today children live separately and retirement life needs self-dependence. The biggest problem in old age is not low savings, but loss of regular income. If someone says yes, it means they value dignity, independence, and disciplined planning. The LIC survey form is not just a piece of paper. It is a gateway to your professional success. With the right mindset, right tone, and right objective, even big LIC targets become achieved. If this video helped you think differently as an LIC advisor, share it with other agents who wants to build a long-term career. Subscribe to Jeevan Bima Bazaar for practical ground-level insurance training. Remember, before selling a policy, become an advisor. Thank you so much for watching this entire video.